The 2025 Dodge Charger concept signals a significant shift toward electric vehicles, showcasing the adaptation of this iconic muscle car into an electrified powerhouse. Expected to ride on Stellantis's new large electric vehicle platform with an estimated range of up to 500 miles, the Charger aims to balance performance with potential trade-offs in range. While specific powertrain details remain undisclosed, a teaser video hints at a robust electric system, and a gasoline-powered variant may feature a twin-turbo inline-six engine. Embracing classic Charger aesthetics, the upcoming model pays homage to the Challenger and Charger lineage, complete with the revival of the Fratzog logo. Unlike its predecessor, the 2025 Charger will adopt a two-door coupe design with a liftback trunk and a distinctive chambered exhaust system. Scheduled for a likely 2025 release, the Charger's official debut is expected in late 2024, with production-ready test cars already spotted near Dodge's headquarters. Anticipated pricing ranges from $50,000 to $90,000, varying based on trim and options. Three known trims include the 340, 440, and the high-performance SRT Banshee, each reflecting their horsepower ratings. The entry-level 340 model is set to deliver 455 horsepower, the mid-range 440 model boasts 590 horsepower, and details on the SRT Banshee's output are pending. An innovative multi-speed transmission, akin to the Porsche Taycan, enhances performance and range at higher speeds, providing a gear change feel during acceleration. The Charger concept features a coupe design, a liftback trunk, panoramic sunroof, pistol grip shift lever, and a nostalgic fighter jet-style ignition cap. The Charger's interior, marrying modern technology with retro design elements, is outlined in sketches, revealing a trapezoidal-shaped infotainment touchscreen and a curved digital gauge display. The next-generation Charger is anticipated to offer Stellantis's advanced Uconnect infotainment interface, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto connectivity, onboard Wi-Fi, and over-the-air update capabilities. The interior design includes textured trim reminiscent of the 1968 Charger's grille treatment. Overall, the 2025 Charger concept exemplifies Dodge's commitment to blending heritage with innovation in the electric vehicle landscape.